Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today. I've got some cards that I've worked on. It is a Stamps of Life card kit that I received a while ago. It's called the Sandcastle2stamp. I do have the stamp and die set. It did have a paper pack as well. But the paper pack is Summer Loving Collection. But I used maybe half of the papers. These are some of the scraps I have left. These are the whole papers I have left, and they all have the sunglasses print. So I do believe I have a sunglasses die, so I might, and I think it's a shaker. It might be. So I might use these to make shakers and get those ready for the summer to either share or use on projects. So yeah. But here's the cards that I did end up making. I do have a little process video. I'm just going to play some music and speed it up, and I'll be back to show you the finished product.
If I got every word perfectly weighted on a thin piece of paper, would it make any difference? Would it change for the better if I wrote you a poem, if I posted a letter?
So these are the cards that I ended up with. They all say either happy summer or have a sun shiny day. And they all are blank on the inside. I still have to add the white sheet of paper to this one. And then they all have my stamp on the back. So just showing them to you again. Yeah, so hope you guys found some inspiration. Hope you guys are feeling warm. And for more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.